Hi YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about human nature, but only some of it. Human nature, personally most of us are selfish at one time or another. There are many reasons why. Oh, the Bible. The Bible just think it's to do with drugs or anything. And I would say we've all like that. Not to sound atheist or anything like that, but I just think it's human nature for selfishness and anything else. One of the main things is probably temper. If you've noticed, celebrities are always gasping. Most celebrities gasp for attention, such as Paris Hilton. I think when she left, Benji was like, yes, Benji isn't with that cow anymore. Yeah, I don't really want to swear on each videos anymore. Not good. I'll probably make another one about human nature if I come up with a better subject. Well, that's it for now. I can't think of anything else to talk about. Probably just be random later. Talk to you then. Bye. See you, YouTube.